us forever, ever, or never mind.
Yo guys, so I'm on my way to my local grocer to get the lemons. Yeah, this is gonna be good. It's like fucking 50 degrees outside. Or like I think it's 17 or 18 degrees Celsius, something like that. Goddamn lemons right here. So I tried to film all of the thing that I went and buy lemons, but it probably got corrupt because I was so embarrassed of it. Because I've never done shit like this before. And yeah, like went inside, the first person was already like looking at what the fuck is that guy doing? Because I tried to hide my camera inside my jacket, you know, like a fucking phone sticking out of my neck, and it was so awkward. Why I should be embarrassed is because this is a really small town, and you know everyone knows what everyone does. Like like if you do something embarrassing, it's gonna spread like wildfire. Back into my zone of comfort. Well, as you can see, it's minus 8 degrees outside, and the real feel is minus 14 degrees. And not to even mind the wind that blows at 26 kilometers per hour. I almost froze my fingers off. I literally couldn't feel one of my arms. Oh shit! Fuck. We gotta wash them. So no bacteria gets into our systems, no nasty germs, no chemicals, nice and clean. What's going on, guys? I'm back, and yeah, I'm gonna eat the lemons. Yeah, I do regret this. I do. Shit. Yeah, so I read online that the recommended daily dose of lemons is 2 per person to not get any risks of getting an overdose. Yeah, I'm gonna eat 5 of them. Because I said 2 people, you know, comment. I got like 15 comments. No, I didn't get 15. 15 comments like was in total, but some of you commented multiple times, so that doesn't count. Okay, I said per person. Okay, so yeah. Oh, by the way, as you probably saw me set this up. This is my new setup. A little beer background. Just to delay me eating lemons for a bit. Let me show you how it works. It looks way cooler in the dark, I promise. Like, whoa, bro, that's sick, man. And also, it can do this. These balls here, they light up. No, shut up. You're gay. Those balls aren't. And yeah, you can see it's pretty good, pretty nice. Yeah, it's a pretty nice setup, you know, and like this is like, hey boy, I can change my face color. So yeah, it looks way cooler. But should I be eating the lemon in the dark? I don't know. Should I? I'm gonna eat the lemon in the dark. I'm just gonna adjust this like this, so you can see all of the action. Oh fuck! I'm gonna regret this. Wait, let me non-epileptic seizure this. Okay, some white light, so you can see the actual lemons. I bought them. Yeah, they're pretty average size. They're pretty huge. I have the 911 button ready, just in case. Hopefully not to cut my fingers off. Yeah, there's some seed. There's some seeds in there. Ugh. Okay. Let me make some couple incisions so I can eat it properly. I honestly don't know. I honestly don't know how to eat a lemon correctly, okay? Okay, first bit. Oh. These are really sour ones. Like, sometimes you get, like, the ones that are been there for a while, you know, and they're a bit sweet, but these are really sour. Okay, this is just a warm-up. Number 2. Twice as big. Alright. So far, so good. And more. The first half wasn't so bad. Oh. 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 How am I gonna eat 5 of these? Oh yeah. By the way, I got some manual sound effects in here. Pretty shitty, but you know, for example, let's give it up for me eating a lemons. Yeah. Yeah, they're pretty shitty. They're basically just a bunch of sound effects, and editing would do a better job. But you know, just kind of a prop. Okay. This half of the lemon. Oh, I squeezed a lot of juice into my mouth. Wasn't pleasant. Wasn't pleasant at all. Okay, so let me make an incision so I can cut half. Okay, second half. See, this is real lemon. It looks disgusting, okay? It's painful. See that? All gone. Oh, never heard that sound in my life before. Like something going down my stomach. You probably didn't hear it, but damn, that was weird. Alright, not half of half. Fuck off. I just swallowed a seed. The most thing that I mainly hate about lemons is the fucking seeds. Yeah, it's all gone. I have a little wounds on my hands, and the juice is getting in. Lemon numero 2. I'm gonna kill you, Timmy. I've gone crazy with lemons. Okay. Let's get the seeds out of the way. I don't want to swallow no more seeds, man. That's disgusting. Make the incision. A whole lemon right here. Ugh. The sourness is okay to pass by.
I'm just gonna be doing this to prove he's faking. Fuck. My lip really hurts. Oh shit. I'm starting to shake. Let's get the seeds out. Disgusting! Yeah, make of course make the decision. Of course there's fucking more seeds. Why wouldn't there be? Get these out of here. Get them out of here, man. Okay. And the half of the lemon, it's full all the way, as you can see. Someone broke into my house. Fucking excellent. It's been going good so far. I just got to take a little quick break. To wash my hands and make sure no one was breaking into my house, man. Okay. It gets into all my wounds, the juice. All gone. That concluded my daily dose of lemons. Now this can risk me an overdose. Oh boy. It's fucking I'm regretting this decision so far. By the way, I want to thank you guys for 80 subscribers at this moment. I guess you can call this, I'm gonna call this the 50 sub special. Okay, eating 5 lemons. Because you like these specials, right? You don't? Well, show me some love by hitting that like button down below. You know, write a get better well comment, because I probably won't be going to school tomorrow. Okay, let's go. Fucking nuts. My bean just cracked. All gone, baby. Next one. Next lemon. Oh. I can't. I just can't. I can't do this in normal. My mouth, inside of it, really hurts. My gums, holy shit. I guess they weren't joking about it. The 5 thingy per day. It's too disgusting. Welcome to me eating last lemons of my life, because after this I won't want to see him anymore. I can't down him. My body refuses to down him. Okay, upside down. Everything fucking hurts. I need some water. Yep. I can't. I can't. I just can't. I'm not even joking. My hands are starting to shake. Probably from the acid that lemon juice has. Shit. Oh, holy fuck. I can't do this. It's impossible. It's impossible. I'm telling you. I made it feel a little bit better, just a little bit. That's the sound my inside organs are making right now. I'm gonna take like 10 seconds. Shit. It's going into my fingernails. It hurts. It hurts a lot. Oh, fucking lemon. Okay. Okay. How about, I don't think it's all cheating if you squeeze a bit of the juice out. Because I will still be eating the lemon. I'll just squeeze a little bit in. It's still sour, it is. Believe me. Believe me, you're lemon expert. Actually, water helped a lot. Water down the vitamin C. I'm gone. I'm gone. Oh. Last one. The fucking last one. I can't. I can't anymore. Last lemon. Last lemon to my freedom. I'll be free, finally. I'm just a lemon away. A lemon away. You get fucked. You know what? I can do this. Just a little bit away. Just eating this. One this. Could solve everything. Like, well, it only can solve one thing. Me not eating lemons. I don't know where I was going with all that. My mind's probably shut down by all the overdose of vitamin C. Okay, you can do this. The seeds are disgusting. I'm starting to faint. I'm feeling lightheaded. I'm not even joking. I'm lightheaded. Shit. Cunt. I'm sorry for swearing. I swear I'm not doing it intentionally. Ha! Get the pun? No? Then get out. Like this half, okay? Me this. Well, actually, let's eat this. My teeth are starting to hurt. Like they're decaying down. A lot of you might be asking why I do that. It actually relieves a lot of sour biting in my mouth area, which is one of the painfulest things to do, okay? That's gone. I can just lick them at this point. Ugh. I can do this. Last lemon. Come on, man. Come on, Post. You can do this. Done. My mouth is so sour. Oh, it bites all around. I can't. That relieved it, actually. I'm just gonna go wash my hands. I mean, look at these. Look at my hands. I don't know if you can see them. They're wet from lemon juice. They're covered in lemon juice. It bites all my fingernails. It goes in there, it goes in the pores, and it just fucking bites. Stings you with little knives, little bayonets in your flesh, damn it. Look at how much lemonade we can make from this. Look at how much. 5 lemons. 5 lemons, man. Oh shit. It's filled with juice and shit. So anyway, honestly feel really bad right now. Like my insides are turning around, like stomach inside. No, wait. I honestly feel really bad right now. Like my stomach has turned itself inside out. I don't think I'll ever want to eat lemons again, okay? No, you can't criticize me anymore, okay? I did this. I ate whole 5 lemons. So you're gonna do this. You have to do this for me, okay? You have to hit the like button. You have to subscribe if you haven't. And you have to comment below what is your favorite fruit. Just do that. Just do that. Come on, man. It's nothing compared to me just eating 5 lemons, okay? Please do that, okay? Thank you. Anyways, that's gonna do it. I'm gonna go clean my mouth with bleach now.
Fuck, why self-life? We got London on the track.